Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a simple yet surprisingly useful gadget. The 4-pack retractable remote-controlled Tether by Exclaith. This is designed for anyone who's ever lost a remote, a gaming controller, or even a small electronic device around the house or office. On first glance, it might seem like just a small retractable cable, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Each pack comes with 4 retractable tethers, and the first thing you'll notice is the quality of the construction. The cables are made from a durable 49-wire metal strand paired with a constant force spring inside the compact housing. This design ensures smooth retracting action and promises longevity, even under frequent use. The housing itself is compact, measuring just 44 by 44 by 18 mm, making it discreet enough to blend into any environment without being intrusive. Installation is straightforward, offering flexibility depending on your setup. You can use the included adhesive pads to attach the anchor plate directly onto a remote, controller, or other curved surface device. The adhesive is designed to create a strong bond on clean, dry surfaces. And for added security, there's an option to use screws for mounting onto tables or walls. This dual approach ensures that whether you're in a showroom, an office, or at home, your devices stay exactly where you want them. One of the standout features of this tether system is its adaptability to curved surfaces. Traditional tethers often struggle with round or uneven surfaces, but these retractable locks include specially designed rubber buckles and double-sided adhesive options that conform to different shapes. This means whether it's a flat TV remote, a curved gaming controller, or even a small speaker, the tether adjusts to hold it securely. The cable itself provides a generous 2 meters of movement, giving users plenty of freedom to use the device without detaching it from the tether. There's also a small lug on the cable that acts as a stopper, allowing you to control how much cable extends before it retracts back into the housing. It's a subtle feature, but it makes daily use feel smoother and more controlled. Each pack comes with 4 tethers, along with a set of square and oval adhesive pads, and a small wrench for installation, making it a complete kit right out of the box. The materials used, PP plastic, alloy steel, EVA, and rubber, ensure the system is not only functional but also built to last. With this setup, you can secure your remotes, controllers, tablets, or any small electronics that tend to wander, and keep them within easy reach at all times. Overall, the Exclaith 4-pack retractable remote-controlled tether is a practical solution for reducing clutter and preventing the constant hunt for misplaced devices. It's compact, durable, and versatile, making it suitable for home, office, and commercial use. If you're someone who values convenience and organization, this is a product worth considering. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another gadget review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.